Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AWeber account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create an email funnel in your AWeber account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create an email funnel in AWeber anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to stay in touch with your subscribers, and by setting up an email funnel, you can take your customers through a series of emails that's automated. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AWeber account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my AWeber, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and set up an email funnel, here on the left side, what you're going to do is click right here on automation. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to the email campaign section, and you want to click here on create campaign. Okay, so there's a lot of different types of email funnels depending on what your goal is. So the cool thing about AWeber is they have a lot of different templates that you can use. So for example, if somebody just signed up for your email list, you can set up a welcome email funnel. Now, if you are doing consulting services, you know that sometimes people don't show up to the meeting. So you can do a funnel for people who never showed up for your meeting. You, of course, can go ahead and build one from scratch, but these ones are pretty good because it's going to get you started much quicker. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and click right here, welcome series. Okay, guys, so here is the funnel that we are looking at for a welcome series. So basically, this is mapping out how the funnel is going to go. So the first one, it's going to be a trigger. So this is going to initiate that person receiving your email funnel. So this one's going to be for new subscribers. If you want, you can go ahead and change this and replace it. So if you click right here, so if there's a tag that's applied to one of your subscribers, they would initiate this. So for this type of funnel, it's a welcome series. So it's only going to be if they sign up for my email list. So I'll click on subscribe. What's going to happen next is they're going to be tagged as a welcome campaign. So they sign up for the list, their email is tagged and added into the welcome campaign, and then they're going to receive this message. So if we click right here on the third step, we can go ahead and change the message. So we'll remove this, and then we're going to go ahead and create a message. And then I'm just going to do a plain text. Okay, so here is the subject line, your new taco recipe, right? And then we're just going to type it in. Thanks for signing up to get the best taco recipe, Anthony. Okay, and then I'm going to save and exit. Okay, so now we have step 3. So they sign up for the list. The system automatically tags them as a welcome campaign recipient. They're going to receive this message, and then they're tagged as they've already been welcomed. Now, the cool thing about email funnels is you can keep adding on to this. So let's go ahead and over here on the left, grab a weight, and we just drag it right on over. So we're going to have step number 5 here. Okay, so if we click in here, how long do we want to wait until we send them the next message? So let's go ahead and say, let's just say 1 hour. We'll go 1 hour. And then after that, I'm going to send them another message. So right here, drag it right down in, and then we can go ahead and create another message. And I'm just going to do text. You can also do HTML, and then you can also use the drag and drop. Actually, I'll just go ahead and use this one so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is to build out an HTML email message. So this is what it says right here. So it's just like setting up a Facebook page. All you do is just go ahead and just double click and then edit. What do you want to cook tonight? And then you can just go ahead and just keep adding stuff in. So we'll go ahead and delete this. And maybe we want to go ahead and grab an image. We can just drag the image right in, click on the image, and then you can go ahead and upload an image or go to your image gallery. So I'll do this for home, and you can see it just drops right in. And then here's the button. If you want them to go ahead and click on it, here's the button label, tacos tonight. And then we can go ahead and redirect them with this URL. So you get the idea. There's all these other things you can add in. So if you're going to add in, I don't know, maybe your Instagram link, you can go ahead and just drag that right on over and then just click on it. And then you can go ahead and edit those links right there. So that looks pretty good. Save and exit. Okay, so that's a pretty basic email funnel that we set up. So we have 6 steps. So we have the trigger, we have the tagging, so that way we know where they're at in the funnel, and then the first message that we sent them. And then the 4th step is we tag them that they've already been welcomed. And then 5, we're going to wait 1 hour before we send them this follow-up message right here. So if you're setting up an email funnel, these things could be 4 steps or they could be 400 steps. It really depends on how far in advance you want to automate these. As you start building out your email funnel with AWeber, you're probably going to add in more steps, and that's okay. That's just something that's going to evolve over time depending on your business. So once you've set up your email funnel, be sure to click on publish here on the top right. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes, your campaign is on. So now we have set up our email funnel in AWeber. So anytime somebody subscribes to this particular list, they're going to be added into this, and they're going to go to step number 1 and taken all the way through step number 6. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to set up an email funnel using your AWeber account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.